All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's talk about Solana. A lot has happened since our update just earlier yesterday. Honestly, it was just a few hours ago, maybe you could say 13, 14 hours ago. A lot has happened since then. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. I'm sure if you're looking at the markets right now, one thing stands out. You're seeing BTC up 7.5% over the past 24 hours. And again, not even 24 hours, just the last several hours, we've seen Bitcoin retesting some key levels that it has not seen since April 2022. Of course, seeing Bitcoin move like this is going to impact literally the entire market, as we're seeing Sol up 13%. And there was a specific target that I mentioned in my Solana update, which of course was earlier yesterday. And that's the exact same target right now we're retesting. So let's talk about that. If we're looking at the price of Solana right now, currently approaching that $116 mark. As mentioned already, up 13% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 4.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap, on the other hand, is currently sitting at $49.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $3.2 billion. Insane. Absolutely insane. But before we go any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So let's just kind of take a look at this Bitcoin move. If you have not watched my other updates, maybe this is the update that you want to be looking at. You can see we are retesting some key support levels, and as of recording this update, you cannot make this up. I continuously tell you guys, these lines that I have drawn are not just random lines that I'm bored I'm drawing on the line. I'm drawing on the charts. These are key resistance levels, and you can literally see this for yourself. Exactly where BTC is sitting at is at that resistance level. And if this resistance level is able to break out, I would not even be surprised if Bitcoin is able to push to $48,000. Absolutely mind-blowing things. And of course, if we're looking at Bitcoin dominance, which had been pretty much pulling down over the past, you could say 10 to 15 days, you're seeing that, of course, increasing, because we're seeing once again a lot of excitement coming into Bitcoin because of the spot Bitcoin ETF. We did hear some hints coming out yesterday, and of course that is pretty much heating up the price of BTC. So that's that. But before we get into the charts, I wanted to, of course, go over some things with you guys so you guys can see this for yourself. This is quite interesting, and this is worthwhile sharing with you. So you can see new token LFG launched on Solana reached $94 million market cap in less than 24 hours. So what is this coin? Now, you guys might be saying, so many coins like these launch on a day-to-day basis that are rug pulls, but this is really unique. So you guys can see this for yourself. Exclusively airdrop for Ethereum users who have spent over $4,269 in gas fees. Aims to onboard Ethereum users to Solana. 25,000 plus Ethereum users have already claimed their airdrop, and your boy Crypto ZX is one of these people. I've received up to $40 worth of airdrop. Again, I'm not complaining. It's free money. And again, if this LFG token continues to rise, who knows, maybe that $40 could turn into something crazy. So I've just left it there, but this is absolutely crazy a thing to point out to you guys. And not only that, you can see this for yourself. This right here is major excitement. Solana flips Ethereum in monthly NFT sales volume for the first time in history. And what better time than a brand new year, 2024, for this to really take place. So give yourself a pat on the back if you've been riding with Solana, especially during the bear market, guys. The bear market, Solana is one of the projects that been through the biggest and the most FUD phase that I have seen in a long time. And it's making some moves that maybe a few months back, just a few months back, that if you were talking about this could potentially be happening in such a short period of time, most of the people would have laughed at you. So huge news for this as well. And in terms of Solana's ecosystem, I want to give you guys a continuous reminder. What we are seeing right now, you guys might be like, whoa, Solana has already exploded. This is it. But, the year just started, the biggest year that we all are waiting for, which is 2024. Of course, spot Bitcoin ETF, spot Ethereum ETF potentially soon, and also maybe some other coins as well. Potentially even Solana. Who knows, right? It's all up in the air, but very exciting year. And as far as the ecosystem is concerned, now you guys might be saying Solana's ecosystem has already exploded. What if I told you, Solana's ecosystem potential is way higher to what we have just seen in a matter of a month and a half? If you're looking at this right here, this is a great pie chart, kind of breaks down the TVL and all the chains, and you guys can see this for yourself. Sol is currently sitting at 2.68%, and as it's breaking records of ETH, what if we do see slowly but surely this number decreasing? I've shared this chart on my Cardano update, but if you don't watch a Cardano update, of course, that has nothing to do with you. So this is really interesting. It gives you an understanding how much potential there really is for other chains. Absolutely insane to see. But let's take a look at Sol right now, because Solana is retesting the targets we spoke about just this morning. So you can see this for yourself. Of course, Sol was sitting at $106. It was below this resistance earlier this morning, but we have broken out, of course, thanks to Bitcoin momentum. And look at that resistance, guys. Look at that resistance where we're currently sitting at. Beautiful. And now if this resistance, hear me out carefully, if this resistance is able to break out, I would not be surprised at all Solana breaking into new yearly highs. And in order for it to hit new yearly highs, it's a move of about 9%. And in order for it to hit a key resistance, which is at $129.45, that's a move of about 10%. And I think it's looking more than likely that this could be the next target for Solana if Bitcoin is able to break out of this resistance. So the next few hours are extremely important. And anyone that was talking negative about Cardano over the past few days, when it was retesting the 61.8 Fibonacci support line, I'm sure these guys are speechless at this point. Continuously giving you guys reminders that Solana ecosystem, not Solana's ecosystem, the Solana's price, the native tokens price, is showing insane amount of momentum, and it's not slowing down, and that's literally right in front of our eyes. And I think Sol is going to shock a lot of people this year. I think what we have seen so far in Q4 of last year, speaking about Q4, guys, 2023, Q4 was Solana's time. Absolutely insane shift in terms of just the overall outlook on Sol. And I think what we are heading into is going to be something not a lot of people have realized. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. You need to always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.